Betty, Betty, I know you can see yourself in the camera, but it's time for us to do assembly. Hi, Betty, come on. Oh, here we are. Hello, everyone. Hello, and welcome to Friday's assembly. It's our celebration assembly. And you can see Betty's back with me today, and she's really excited for all of the fantastic awards that we're going to be giving out today. So, are we ready for a little bit of a sing? Yeah, a little sing before we start the awards. We're learning a new one, 7 days a week, in sign language. Here we go. Well done, everyone. Fantastic. You've done a fantastic job singing it and using your signs. Excellent. Now, it's time for us to do our awards. The first one be our Going for Gold. All right, Betty, move over to the side. Throw my glasses. Ready? Going for gold. The first one we have is for Leeds class for Wojtek for engaging in home learning and attending the Zoom sessions. Next in York class, we have Mia for engaging in all areas of learning. We also have Philippe for all of his hard work during home learning. In whole class, we have Jackson for working so hard and following the online lessons, and Alicia for completing nearly all of the work of the last work pack. In Nottingham, we have Hubert for his fantastic attitude towards the online lessons and trying his best all of the time. We also have Caleb for his superb writing about Traction Man and Super Tato. In Liverpool class, we have Ruby Ann for consistent effort with her home learning. We also have Isabel M. for trying her best with her home learning. In Cardiff class, we have Kristen and Kiana for both working incredibly hard in the school provision. In Edinburgh 1, we have Noah K. for completing all of his work at home and trying hard and producing work to a high standard. We also have Caden for completing all his work at home and uploading it each day. Also starting a new lockdown art project with his grandma, which is looking amazing. Did you see the other one he did? He did in the dinner hall. I know. It's fantastic, isn't it? It is. In Edinburgh 2, we have Jessica for her continued hard work and perseverance with home learning. In Cambridge class, we have Cuba for his fantastic presentation and completing all of his work that has been set. We also have Marta for her beautiful presentation and care for her work that she produces. In Oxford class, we have Casey Jane. This is for completing a range of work, including the online work and the paper packs, to a really good standard. We also have Callum for doing really good and to a high standard with all of his work. In Chester and Lincoln class, we have Ramaya for keeping calm, completing his work, and accessing all the online lessons. His work is doing so well, and he's making good progress. Well done to all of those children. Are you excited about that? Yes, fantastic for getting the Going for Gold Award. Now we have the Year of Being Brave Award. Year of Being Brave Award in Lee's class, we have Ella for intellectual bravery, for thinking of different ways for her body to make sounds as part of the phonics work. York class is Archie for having a go and trying even when things are hard. In Hall class, we have Evie for trying so hard with her number work, and for Lorraine for improving her pencil control. Well done. In Nottingham, we have Rome for his disciplined bravery and trying his best with online lessons, and Harrison for his intellectual bravery and wanting to do more home learning. In Liverpool class, we have Maria for her perseverance. She's never giving up and is always willing to have a go at new things. We also have Lexi May for her disciplined bravery, for always smiling and having a positive attitude towards learning. In Cardiff class, we have Tia. Tia has an intellectual bravery. She has been doing a super job on her home learning, especially in maths, where she has been solving questions mentally without needing to work them out. We also have Sienna for intellectual bravery and disciplined bravery. She had been teaching herself how to play the keyboard by watching a YouTube video. We have in Edinburgh 1, Scarlett for working so hard to complete her work and being brave to try and work on it more. We also have Daniels for working very hard in school each day and for independent work and working more once he goes home. In Edinburgh 2, we have Noah for moral bravery. He always makes good choices and is a wonderful role model to the other children. In Cambridge class, we have Cooper for showing disciplined bravery and persevering with his work, intellectual bravery, and growing in confidence with all of the work he has been set. We also have Connor, and this is for showing his work and completing every piece of work set. In Oxford class, we have Daria for working hard on her work and for always asking questions if she isn't sure of how to do something. We also have Sky for her volunteering to read aloud on Teams, for putting lots of effort into her work and for always presenting it really well. In Chester and Lincoln class, we have Jake D for intellectual bravery. This is for always trying his best in maths, English, and topic work. Another great set of awards for us to give out today. Well done. Give them all a big hand. Now we have the very special Head Teachers Award. Today we had a look at tapestry and our teams, haven't we? Yes, we have. And we have lots of awards to give out. We're just so impressed. We wish we could get more. It's just like, oh, wow. So the first Head Teachers Awards will go to Julia in Cambridge class and Philippe in York class, because together, this brother and sister are submitting work every day. Well done. We also have in Oxford class, Kiana and Lexi for their outstanding reports that they wrote about animals. They were so impressive that not only did I get to see them on Teams, but I also had Miss Callahan send them to me because she was so proud of both of you. Well done to both of you. In Chester class, we have Zach for his positive attitude towards his learning, completing his work, and he has been doing the extension task as well. Wow, well done, Zach. We also have Susanna in for her fabulous home learning. She made an awesome moving picture of Superman for DT. It was fab. We have another siblings, sisters, Scylla and Michelle, Scylla in Cardiff class and Michelle in Hull class, for their daily work that they send in. Wow, every day. And also, Scylla has really been pushing herself, especially in maths. Well done, girls, well done. We also have Zoe that's in Cardiff class. She's on Teams every day, and she sends her work every day. Wow, Zoe, really love your hard work and how proud I am of everything you're doing. Good job. We also have a brother and sister again, Billy in Oxford class and Madison in Edinburgh 1, because there are another two people in the family here that send their work every day. They work hard all day long and send their work in. Well done. So proud of you. We also have Ella in Leeds class, because I saw her, well, we saw her, yeah, we did. Both of us saw her Well-Being Wednesday work. Wow, I really was impressed by that. And then also another brother and sister, Zainab in Hall class and Maz in Lee's class, because again, working every day, we got pictures, we have videos. I am super proud of all they're doing. Well done to all of those children receiving Head Teachers Award. Give them a big hand. Another fantastic week here at Newlands. Whether it's you're in school or you at home doing your work, we are very proud of you. And again, thank you parents and grandparents for helping the children at home, for really making sure that the learning is continuing to happen. And also thank you to the staff in school and out of school who are making sure that our children are still getting absolute best education they can possibly get. Thank you, everyone. Miss you all and can't wait till we're all together. But until then, have a good weekend. Bye.